Thank you for tuning into News Center 23 this evening. It's 11:19 right now. It's currently 16 degrees at the airport in Crawfordsville with clear skies. 1 a.m. we're expecting temperatures to go down to 14, as well as at 4 a.m. with clouds begin to rolling into the area. Light cloud cover is expected at 17 degrees at Tuttle Middle School in Crawfordsville. Winds are blowing out of the southwest at 6 miles per hour at this time. Winds will be picking up overnight. Expect some blowing and drifting out on some of the side roads and the county roads throughout the morning tomorrow morning. We have a winter storm watch in effect for the entire viewing area. As you can see, those winter weather advisories in places that were not advised earlier today are now under a winter storm watch. Those will all be upgraded to winter storm warnings sometime in the day tomorrow. Now let's take a look at live Precision 23 radar at the city view level. We see absolutely no activity from Lafayette all the way to Covington, Crawfordsville, Frankfort. Everyone is clear. State view is showing the same picture as well as regional view right now, but it's out here to the west that we will see some light clipper activity move in, and then some moisture out of the south will really connect with that, and that's going to fire up over central Indiana and set up for this new winter storm that will be coming into our area. As we said, those winter storm watches will be in effect from 1 a.m. on Saturday, or 1 a.m. Sunday. Wait a minute. Nope, that's not right. Hang on. Back it up. 1 a.m. Sunday through 1 a.m. Monday. Sorry. The lows on Saturday when we wake up tomorrow morning, 10 degrees, Crawfordsville, Lafayette, Covington, 9, Indianapolis at 12, as well as Spencer at 11. Here's your first look at your snowcast. These are new numbers, just came into the Weather Center just a few minutes ago, actually. This is still a first look. We will change the title tomorrow to Snowcast so that it's more finalized. Down to the south, just south of Spencer, 3 to 5 inches. Spencer, you're in that band for 5 to 8 inches. Terre Haute back to Indianapolis up to Lebanon and Peru, Kokomo, you're all in 7 to 10 inch area. You're in territory here. Back up to Fort Wayne even. We have a little band that is beginning to develop right now. We are not for sure on the stability of this band, but it is a possibility right now, and I want to keep those possibilities in our first looks. There is the possibility, and I do say possibility for a reason, for a band to develop and set over Crawfordsville, Lafayette, and off to the west, where we could see 10 to 15 inches of snow, and then even further off to the west, just over the state line in Danville, they could see up to at least 2 feet of snow. And possibly more. So we'll keep an eye on that. As you can see, those yellows are pushing a little too close for comfort there at 15 to 24 inches there, and that's a little too close for our comfort, but 10 to 15 is even really a big number to work with. I know a lot of the other stations are forecasting 7 to 10 or 8 to 10 or even 8 to 13 in some places. But I really think that this heavier band is going to set up, and a lot of them are saying the heavier bands are going to set up to the eastern half, but I really want to believe this heavier band is going to set up on the western portion of the state and into Illinois, because that Gulf moisture is going to be fresh into the system, and that's something we're looking at when we look at those bands. I do want to remind you that we are 100% accurate on our weather forecasts right now as of today. We'll see if we can hold that record. 32 for a high tomorrow in Crawfordsville. Lafayette's at 31. Covington will remain at 32 as well. You get down further to the south at Spencer and Indianapolis at 33. Sunday morning when we wake up, it will be snowing out late Saturday night. We're expecting those snow to really begin to develop around 11 or 12 p.m. is what most future track models are bringing in. Sunday morning when you wake up, 25 in Crawfordsville, 24 Lafayette, Covington, and 27 Indianapolis, so not too cold. Sunday for your high, we're not moving very much. 29 Crawfordsville, 31 Spencer, now 28 Lafayette and Covington. Now I want to tell you, a lot of the future track models are bringing in maybe some warmer temperatures on Sunday for some of our southern and southeastern viewing area, and I think that's why some of these snow totals are going to cut down sharply off to the east on the eastern portions of Indiana, because that we're going to get those warmer temperatures, and we're going to begin seeing a rain and sleet mix, and that is going to really kind of dice into our snow totals a little bit and bring those snow totals further down, but it also could create some worse traveling conditions. And I also want to remind you, this snow will be a very light and fluffy snow, and with that being said, there will be 20 to 30 mile an hour wind gusts throughout the day, periodically Sunday, Monday, and even into Tuesday, where we'll see blowing and drifting is a major concern. We take an outlook on your 7-day forecast here. Definitely seeing some snow, heavy snow for Sunday, really We do not advise you to plan any traveling on Sunday, as those conditions are going to be very blizzard-like conditions. Not quite bad enough to be considered a blizzard. Those winds need to pick up just a little bit more than what we're expecting them to, but it is close, and we're pushing close to blizzard territory. They're a little bit too close for comfort, really. Monday, we'll see a high of -8. I say that like it's normal. -14 will be what you wake up to on Monday. I am expecting tons of school cancellations on Monday. Not too many delays. Most likely, a lot of schools will be canceled on Monday. Tuesday, we'll expect those cancellations to continue. More delays will pop up, but I still expect a lot of cancellations on Tuesday, especially to the western portion of the state where those heavier snow bands are expected to set up. -4 for your high. -19 when you wake up on Tuesday. A cold may be a huge factor in whether your kids go to school also on Tuesday. Wednesday, we will finally break those negatives, and we will warm up to 15 degrees. Everybody's going to feel like running around their shorts, but I don't recommend that. -6 when you wake up Wednesday. 26 on Thursday with a chance for snow back in the forecast. It's too early to forecast anything on that. We're keeping our eyes set on Sunday right now. Friday, we will see a high of 15. Wake up to 18 with overcast skies. Make sure to keep tuning back into News Center 23 throughout the day tomorrow, as we will continue to bring you updates on those new snow totals, as well as where the heavier bands and temperatures will be a main factor into our next oncoming work week.